Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, October the 26th, October the 27th, 2024. It's actually today Sunday, and I've already solved two puzzles, 3-star Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. It's time for the binary. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 948. Sorry, 90. Yeah, 9490. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Well. I'm stuck here. Now I need to think. One. Double ones, here no, there no. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. What's happening? Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's in the last column, so the rest are 1s. Here we have also 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, let's see. Double ones, here. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Overlooked, double O's, here one, there one. 3. Come on. 1. 4 O's we have here, overlooked, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 4 minutes. Wow! Without comparing, but we need to think here. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye. for now.